Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about BlueJeans and especially one of their products of virtual meetings. We are going to talk about the pros and cons. I'll tell you more about it and then we'll try to compare it with some competitors. So let's start. BlueJeans is a smart and straightforward video conferencing tool for modern digital workplace. Users can make use of BlueJeans meetings through which they can collaborate effectively with audio, video, and web conferencing from any device. It transforms the user's video conferencing experience by integrating audio and video performance with high productivity features like Dolby Voice Plus, HD video, smart meeting, assigning actions, critical meeting moments, and security tool combined with comprehensive security toolkit. Users can facilitate an interactive meeting experience by sharing any content and using annotation illuminating critical details. They can make use of inbuilt whiteboard for their brainstorming sessions. Users do not need to download anything to use BlueJeans. You can just join in quickly from their browser and get an immersive video and spatial audio experience. The platform provides complete visibility into their BlueJeans environment through real-time insights into new conditions, meeting performance, and user-focused ROI. BlueJeans Mobile is available for both iOS and Android. It's made for all types of businesses, medium, large, maybe small businesses as well, and also for individuals. You can install it into your mobile phone, as I said before, Android or iOS, and also into your computer. If it's Windows or Mac, it doesn't actually matter. It works in the both ways. So if we want to see the pricings on them, let's check it out first. So we're sorry, as a result, we are no longer providing BlueJeans services in your country, and that being Slovakia. Please check the list below to see if you have an office in the following countries. If so, you can use that billing address to continue using our services. So they ditched probably Czech Republic and Slovakia, which is very weird, but we still can check up the pricing. So let's do that. We have the BlueJeans standard, which is Experience Premium Video Conferencing at entry level. It's $11.56 a month. If you want to be billed annually, or monthly, $14.45. Then BlueJeans Pro, which is $20.24 monthly, or $16.19 if you want to build annually. And then the Enterprise, which is complete package with every single feature. And if you are interested in BlueJeans Enterprise Plus, you have to get a quotation so they can tailor you the option exactly for you. So let's try it out. But I'm really curious if I can try it for free, since they are no longer providing support or billing in my country. So yeah. 1 second. Let me. Okay. Business email address. Let's go like this. And let's go with Matt King. Business phone number. Yeah. Country. Yeah. This is only what they are providing. So The closest is, I would say, Austria. That's very weird. But yeah, what you can do. Nobody wants Slovakia or Czech Republic. But actually, this is like a first thing that this is like the first thing that happened, like first software that is going along with this type of problem. They are not providing support in Slovakia or Czech Republic. But also they are not sending a verified email. Let's resend it. Ay, ay, ay. What is it with everything? Like yesterday I did like video marketing 360, also no verification email, also invoiced. So I really think that like these guys have like serious problems with the softwares or something. But yeah, still I strongly recommend it, but I'm struck by the fact that they are not supporting or providing their services in Slovakia. Oh, BlueJeans activation, verify email. Okay, we're there. Okay, so password first. And here we are. Easy like that. You'll just get asked to create your password. And here we are. Personal meeting ID. We don't have to do it. You can download it, but we want to skip it. And here we are. There's a 14-day trial left. Also a link on the help center. Top right is where you find your details or settings. And then on the left side, you can schedule the meeting, join a meeting, start personal meeting, and many more options that we will cover later. I'm not really a fan of long videos, but yeah. So here, there's a meeting profile. Let's go next. You can skip this one for a while. Then schedule a meeting. Meeting title, let's go tutorial. We can go for tomorrow, 12:15, schedule. And here you can invite team members. You can invite them by email ID or just by the ID they have on the personal meeting ID. Very easy. And just like that, you can create your own personal meeting. You can also download the apps that can help you do your business or do your testing and everything that you probably can. And then in settings, you can find out everything. Also, you can change the speaker view, people view, or gallery view when you'll see everybody. Meeting room wallpaper, moderator passcode, and yeah, many more options that we will cover in the next videos. So yeah, stay tuned. If you have any types of questions about how to get your free trial, please leave them underneath this video and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.